guys, it's James here from Optics Warehouse, your night vision and hunting specialist, and today I'm very proud to present to you a new brand that we have just taken on in the night vision market, and that brand, as you can see to my right, is Sytong. Now Sytong have developed two units, a rear add-on night vision and a dedicated night vision scope. So we're just going to look at the two units that I have here on my right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do later videos just explaining them in a bit more detail. But as I said, in this one, we'll just do a quick unboxing just to show you what each unit is and how they work. So without further ado, let's have a quick look. First one I have here is the HT66, and that is the rear add-on night vision. And as I said, it's nice, easy, simple unit. Comes in well packaged box, pretty clear on the outside as to what's inside. Let's have a quick look inside. It just opens up in the flip. And there you go. So you can see you've got the unit there itself. You've got a collar and a bag that you can cover the whole unit in. Nice little data cable there for transferring your videos across. And then of course you've got your electrical tape there that you can then attach to the to your day optic to make it nice and robust. So we'll just have a quick look outside the box and just look at the unit itself. So as you can see, it's nice and compact, nice and lightweight, not too much to it in all honesty. You've got your IR on the front. Of course, if you do want to use a third-party IR, that's not a problem, you can do. Battery compartment on the back takes a standard 18650 battery, as most night vision products do. But what I really like about this particular one is all the menu systems, everything is on top rather than on the back of the unit. I quite like that for the fact that obviously you can just click over the top whether you're right or left-handed rather than trying to have to use your thumbs where it's on the back here. Nice rubber eyepiece on the back, ocular adjustment, focus, standard stuff really, and then you've got your on button on there. Back in, and then as I said, you've got your collar here, so that will fit to a variety of different oculars on the front here, and that just adjusts in there, and obviously the unit just clicks on nice and easily on the back there. And then all you need to do is you just pad it out with your electrical tape, and then away you go really. So that is the HT66, just a brief overview of that. As I said, I will do a more in-depth video later on, but now we'll just have a look at the HT602, which is the dedicated night vision scope. Again, as you can tell with the other one, you've got all the details on the front as to what's going on. You've got all your info on the front there, obviously with how to zero it, your brightness, your Wi-Fi, all of that, the video recording, and then a nice picture of the unit on the front there as well. Nice compact box. Look, hit one there. Instruction manual, very important. A lot of men like myself just tend to throw this out and then blame the unit later on, but it's always worth reading the instruction manual. And then we've got in here quite a nice little robust box. It's gonna nice padded out in the corners. No issues with that at all. Let's have a quick look inside. So open that one up. As you can see, unit nicely padded down the bottom there. It's a nice small unit, there's nothing too much to it. Again, nice and lightweight, all your standard features. And again, as I said with the HT66, I do like the menu on the top there. It makes it nice and easy rather than on the side or on the back. It's near the top of the on button. Very similar to what to the Sightmark Wraith, which is obviously it's quite a firm favourite of mine. And I say this is quite a nice place to have it all. IR on the side, battery on the back, focus adjustment, nice little lens cap that just screws off. And obviously you can just put that back on when you're not using it. And then on the bottom, you've got your Picatinny fitment rail on there, so you can just whack it onto any Picatinny system. Put that one in there. Just have a look. So here is said Picatinny system. Again, comes in the bag that you can put the whole unit in, and it's just your standard clamping system. You've got 6 holes there. There's 4 holes on the bottom, so you can have a variety of movement. Obviously, move that along your rail as well. Just 2 standard GI clamps that hold it on together. Obviously, I'd recommend tightening these to the correct tightness. So guys, that's just a brief overview of the Sytong range. As I have already said, I will go over each one in depth. That's the HT60 and the HT66. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We're very excited to take this brand on. As I said, we're looking forward to what we can produce with these items, and I'm looking forward to get them out in the field. But to pretty much guys, that's it. I've been James, your night vision hunting specialist, and this has been another video by Optics Warehouse.